You spend your life chasing numbers. Numbers that promise a comfortable life. More dollars, more digits, more proof that you matter. But the universe doesn't count money. It doesn't know your salary, your net worth, or the number in your bank account. It only knows that, for the briefest moment, you were here. Long before you learned to make fire, the stars were already burning. Then came civilization, comfort, eventually. But not without disease, not without hunger, not without wars. You learned to farm, to build cities, to harness rivers, to forge steel. Empires rose, fought, and vanished, leaving barely a whisper behind. And one day, the universe will continue exactly the same after your last heartbeat. You are smaller than a grain of dust, a single blink in an endless story. Yet somehow, this tiny life is the only one you will ever truly own. Money can buy a house, but not the feeling of coming home. It can buy medicine, but it can never promise tomorrow. It can buy a first-class ticket, but not one more sunrise after your journey ends. So chase money. It matters. It feeds your family. It gives you choices. It buys freedom, security, and opportunities that many never receive. Don't pretend money doesn't matter. It does. Just don't make the mistake of believing it is the reason you exist. Because when your life becomes a memory, you won't replay your bank balance. You'll remember the people who laughed until they couldn't breathe. The hands you held. The moments you almost missed because you thought work couldn't wait. The risks that changed your life. The sunsets you nearly skipped because you were too busy. Earn well. Save wisely. Build something meaningful. But never become so wealthy that you can no longer afford your own time. One day, your name will be spoken for the last time. Your possessions will belong to someone else. Your money will keep changing hands, as if you had never existed. But your kindness, the courage you showed, the lives you changed, the love you gave, those become echoes. So make money, respect it, master it, use it, but never worship it. Because in a universe that measures time in billions of years, the greatest wealth you will ever possess is this ordinary day, this single breath, and the choice of who you become before the stars forget your name.